mo sini sa backstage.
Baka tayo daw, sabi natin Isa.
Papakatahin natin?
Oo.
Ayun na.
Oo. Pakantayin ba natin?
Oo. Oo. Tapos ka na mag-twerk, kanta naman. Alright, so, meron kaming a little something for Donna. Just to show appreciation. Ayan. So, Donna, this is for you. What if I took my time to love you? What if I took the one above you? What if I did the thing that really matters? What if I ran a disaster? No one would care if we never made it. We're endless alone, so why do we face it? There is no time to blame one another. We just need time to forgive each other. What about love? What about feeling? What about all the things that make my birthday red? What about faith? What about trust? And tell me, baby, what about us? How could I Magbigyan na lang ako alam ko, bro. How can I love the way it's never ending? We just need time to reach one another. There is no room to change one another. What about love? I'll take the moment of disaster. Gonna take it away. What about love? What about feeling? What about all the things that make us forgiving? Alright, thank you so much. We love you, Donna. We love you, Donna. Yes, yes. How are you guys?